Hi guys, today I'm going to be trying out the Wet n Wild's new collection, Rebel Rose collection. I'm so excited. This is the big box that it came in. It's crazy. It's so beautiful, guys. This box is so huge, it's like overwhelming. This is what it looks like. It's so big. I'm so excited. Limited edition. Ooh, something moved. Let's just leave it a break. Guys, I'm just really excited for this collection because it's girly and it's black. My thing. This is crazy. This is so pretty. Oh my gosh. So, this is the first thing. Comes with a Photo Focus Rose Toner, the Rose Multi-Use Oil, Rose Primer Serum, and the Perfect Pout Jelly Balm. And then there's a lip scrub. It's so cute. So here's the second half of the box. These are liquid lipsticks. This is the High Shine one, and this is the matte liquid lipstick. These brushes, I'm kind of disappointed that they don't have like everything towards like eyes, contour, everything. I think this is just, well, they do have one eyeshadow brush. I lied, sorry. One eyeshadow brush, and then I think this is a blush brush. It says it's a blush brush. But they don't have like a face brush and all these things, because I'm kind of disappointed, but it's okay. These two eyeshadow quads, I'm excited for. This one, I have colors like this already, but I'm gonna try to use like maybe two of each quad. Hopefully I can do that. Just try out and then like see how it goes. This blush is really interesting. It's black. I'm pretty sure it's gonna change a different color. Unless it's like the Jeffree Star highlighter that's like black, but it's not a highlighter, it's a blush, so. And yeah, that's it. I'm excited and excited to try all these products. Let's get to it. So the first thing I'm going to use is the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Multi-Use Rose Oil. I'm going to use it to hydrate my skin before putting the primer on. And I think what's cool is that it's just like so cool. I just think it's so cool. I don't know why. And then also I wanted to compare it to the foundation. They give you as much 1 ounce as the Photo Focus foundation. So I'm just going to grab it and then oh, it smells really good. It smells like rose. Oh, it's like, it's actually getting pretty strong. I'm like not sure if I like it. Like I like rose sometimes, but if it gets too intense, I'll be like, But so far it's like, I can handle it. I'm gonna be using this Wet n Wild Photo Focus Rose Primer Serum, and I'm just gonna apply on my face like I did with the oil. And hopefully it helps keep the foundation on. I honestly love these, like, I just dripped on my shirt. Yeah, I totally just dripped on my shirt. It's okay. I like the color of this primer though. It's like so pretty. But I like how the primer feels more than the oil. I'm not sure how I feel about the oil, but the primer feels so good. And the scent is not as intense as the oil. Does it smell weird? It doesn't smell like rose. Not that I'm saying everything needs to smell like rose in this collection. It smells bad. But it's smoothing out my lips, so that smells weird, bro. It does smell weird. You know, like I like strong scents, but like it's not even strong, it's just like gross. It smells bad. Are you getting water? Yeah, it just smells bad. Can you get me one too? Love you. So right now I'm going to be using the lip jelly thing, the lip balm. And then this is what it looks like. It's like clear. It kind of looks like dirty water, but you know, let's just try it out and see. If it makes my lips feel good. We're all good here. Yo, this smells bad too. Yeah, so the lip scrub, I do not like the scent of that, and this one, I don't think it's as bad, but yes, I got those lip products. The lip jelly does make my lips feel good though, so that's good. And the lip scrub, I feel like it did the job. So I didn't realize that this is tint, but it is. So this is a tinted lip jelly balm thing. It's good, I guess. The way it looks like a dirty water tube thing, and it smells bad, but it does the job. So that's all for, I guess, the prep of my skin. There's no like Bubble Rose foundation or something, but I'm going to be using all Wet n Wild products, all the ones I have. I'm going to mix the stick foundation with the liquid foundation and use the powder, and just do my face, make on my brows, and I'll be right back. So I'm going to be using the Secret Garden Quad. I'm going to be using this burgundy shade right here. I do not know how I feel about this brush, guys, because it's cute, but this petal thingy is kind of covering like my way of seeing if I'm blending or not. But let's see what I can work with. So this burgundy color, it's a good color. You just have to layer it a lot. You can tell. I don't know if you can tell, but I layered it a lot, and it kind of looks like I layered it a lot. But yeah, and then this eyeshadow brush, I don't really like it. I don't. It's just really hard to use. This kind of keeps poking on my skin when I'm blending it. I'm not sure if this is supposed to be a blending brush, but just said eyeshadow brush and then say blending brush and then say like patting brush. I don't know. I don't even know if that's a thing. But yeah, I would go on pass with this brush. The Bed of Roses Quad, I believe that's what it's called. And this dark red, I'm just gonna deepen it. So this dark red was really good when I applied it. It was super pigmented and it was easy to blend. That's all I have to say about it. It's really pretty. So from House of Thorns, this black shade right here. I'm going to use it to deepen my crease again. So this House of Thorns, this shade, this black shade, it's really pigmented. I'm really impressed with this, and I think I totally just covered the red that I just put on. Or maybe the red's popping out. I really think this is the first color I applied, and then it's just like black now. Don't know what happened. It's okay, I'm just trying out as much colors as possible. I'm gonna be applying this purple, blue, violet thing. It's like more of a blue violet looks to me. Might apply differently. Like my crease area over here. Yep. Now I'm going back to Bed of Roses, and I'm going to use this shade right here, shimmery pink shade. It's like a hotter pink than the other one right here. I'm just gonna apply that like kind of the center of my lids. And this purple that I just applied, it applied really well. I can tell if you go close up that it's the purple and not the black, but if you see far away, I'm not sure if you can tell. I'm gonna try to use this to apply in the center, because I feel bad for not using this, but I'm really liking it. Don't get me wrong, this brush is pretty. It's just like, I can't see any of that. This shimmer is just like the crease shade, the first crease shade I ever applied to my eye. You just gotta layer it up. So this shimmer shade, this pink, hot pink shimmer shade, it's not great. It should be more pigmented because I feel like shimmer shades should be more pigmented than mattes when it comes to applying to the eye. Light pink shade, and I'm gonna put it on the rest of the eye that does not have color on it. So the inner corners, but not really inner corners. See, ooh. Let me try spraying it with the setting spray of Wet n Wild. Oh my god, I missed it. But yeah, I kind of wet the brush, so maybe it'll apply more vibrant. Well, that worked a little bit, but it's still lacking in my opinion. I don't know if it's supposed to be like super bright, but I don't know if it's meant to be super bright, but I want it to be super bright, and it's just kind of mediocre right now. So I did off camera the black shade and then the violet shade I just put under my eye, and then I applied mascara on my bottom lashes. And then now I'm gonna be using this. I think it's the Secret Garden, yeah, that freaking quad, and I'm gonna use the gold shade right here for the inner eye ducts. This one I don't need to wet my brush. I really like this shade, this eyeshadow shade. I literally just stuck that in my eye. That burns. Okay, but yeah, it's really good. And then I'm just gonna be putting on my lashes and putting on the highlight, and I'm gonna try that black blush. So this is a black blush I'm gonna use. It's called Rose and Peace. It's kind of cute. This thing's weird. I'm gonna look at the feel right now. Ooh, it's like wet. It's kind of shimmery too. Oh, that's so weird. It's like black. I don't know. It's pretty. I guess just wait for it to dry down. What the heck? This like blush texture is so weird. It's like wet. Never tried anything like this before. It's black, it's wet. So I like how the blush looks now. It just takes some time getting used to the way it feels and how to apply it and stuff. But now, oh yeah, and I applied my lashes. Now I'm going to be applying I don't even know how to pronounce it. Yeah, that's how you pronounce it. I'm not gonna try this. I just already messed it up. I might have overdrawn my lips too much, but I really like how this liquid lipstick is pigmented. I have some other Wet n Wild matte liquid lipsticks and they're not as pigmented. I had to like layer it, but this worked like perfectly. I don't know, it's because it's a really dark shade. But I'm gonna put this High Shine liquid lipstick on top, the Bud Romance. So this lip shine, I like it, but I can only see myself using it on top of matte liquid lipsticks because I like overdrawing my lips, and it's a lip shine lipstick, almost like a lip gloss, so just have a forewarning for that. Overall, I am impressed with this collection. The shadows are great, the lipstick is pigmented, the High Shine lipstick is great. Though some of the quads I wouldn't get, like, because I have similar colors already. Like if you already have similar colors of the quads, you don't really need to get the quads because it's not as pigmented as I wish it would be. But then again, it's Wet n Wild, so it's kind of impressive, kind of mixed review. I love the primer. This primer right here, Rose Primer Serum, it's just so amazing. It feels so good on your skin. Rose oil, I wouldn't purchase myself if it was alone. It just smells too rosy for me. If you're into that, go ahead. And you want to hydrate your skin. No to the lip scrub, and the lip jelly I could live without, but it did feel good on my lips, the lip jelly. But the lip scrub, it did the job, but it just smells so bad. It's just like not worth it. The blush, this black blush, if you want to just collect it because it's cool, it's black, and also it's an actual pink tint, and it's not really a black brush. Can't even talk. A black blush. can't talk right now. It's really late right now. But yeah, if you want to get it because it looks cool, I wouldn't get it personally because the texture is just so weird. It's like wet. And then like when you swatch it, yeah, it's okay. It took time to blend when I was blending this. I wouldn't get these brushes alone. They're just hard to use. If you want to get it just to display them, because I know some people like to do that. I don't like it as application. This thing right here, this, you can hear it. It kept poking me in the eye when I was like trying to blend. I don't know if you're just supposed to just apply it like that, but still I couldn't see. And then this blush brush, like you can get any other blush brush. You get any other blush brush. But yeah, that's my thoughts on the brushes. That's it for my review. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I enjoyed trying all these products. My makeup looks so bomb right now, but I'm so sad that I just go to sleep because it's 3 o'clock in the morning. Too bad I have no place to go. But yeah, I like this look. Hope you guys like it too. And thank you so much for watching.